Look how delicious this looks. Rice cereal and applesauce. There's a ton of it. So I hope you like it. Ready? Good. Was that good? What do you think? Let's see if he wants more. That'll tell if he liked it or not. What do you think, baby? It's going to be the same business now with him getting obsessed with Ed. Look! Hope he likes it. Good job! Is that good? Are you looking at our puppy? Your new bib? I don't think you swallowed what you had. Let's make it, mix it up a little more.
Ed?
I think you like it. Do you like it? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? I think Ed likes it. Here, look. Does the applesauce make the difference? Before it was kind of boring, the plain white. Yeah, look. Yay! He likes his food! He likes his food! Is it delicious? Is it delicious? No singer. Oh, you can't eat the spoon, silly goose. You have to eat the applesauce. What do you think? Oh, it's coming back out. And look, baby, look at mommy. Bum 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 bum. Delicious! He seems more into it than anything else we've given him.
He does.
You want more? Look, baby. Bzz, 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 boom! Yay! That was a good bite. Swallow it. Can you swallow? And look, you're storing it in these little cheekies. Bzz, 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 bzz. Oh, you close your mouth. Let's try it again. Bzz, 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 bzz. Is it yums? Here, let me get you a good bite. Zoop! Yay! Very delicious. Your applesauce is delicious. I wonder if I gave him this